It's 3 a.m. You can't sleep. Your body is tired, but your mind won't stop talking. What if I fail? What if they don't like me? What if I said the wrong thing? And just like that, you've traveled through every possible future and done absolutely nothing in the present. You are not lazy. You're not broken. You're just stuck in the trap called overthinking. And today, I'll show you how to break free and finally take control of your life again. Overthinking feels like control, but it's the opposite. You think by replaying every possible outcome, you're preparing yourself, but really, you're drowning in what ifs. Your brain confuses thinking for doing. You plan, you analyze, you prepare, but never act. And each time you hesitate, your mind learns one thing: it's safer not to move. That's how confidence dies. Not from failure, but from inaction. You don't need more time to think. You need the courage to decide. You keep waiting for the right moment, but the right moment doesn't exist. You think you'll act when you feel ready, but readiness never comes before action. It comes after. You don't think your way into confidence. You act your way into it. So stop waiting for the stars to align, for people to understand, for fear to disappear. You don't need perfect, you just need progress. Let's be honest, overthinking isn't about logic. It's about fear. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of losing control. Somewhere in your past, you tried, and it didn't go well. So now your brain says, if I think long enough, maybe I can avoid getting hurt again. But that fear builds a cage. It stops you from living. The only way out is through the fear, not around it. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's doing it while you're scared again and again, until your mind learns you're stronger than your thoughts. There's a simple trick that can change your entire life. The 5-second rule. The moment you feel yourself start to overthink, count down and move. Stand up. Make the call. Start the task. Say the thing. It sounds small, but it rewires your brain. You interrupt the loop of fear and replace it with action. Because confidence doesn't grow from comfort. It grows from momentum. Stop waiting for motivation. Create it. Most of what you worry about never even happens. You stress over things you can't control: other people's opinions, outcomes, the future. Let it go. Control what you can: your effort, your attitude, your response. When your mind starts racing, ask yourself, is this something I can act on? Or just something I'm scared of? If it's action, do it. If it's fear, release it. Your peace begins the moment you stop fighting battles inside your head that don't exist outside it. Overthinking is living in the past and the future, but never the now. And the now is the only place life actually happens. You can't control everything, but you can control how you show up right now. Take a deep breath. Look around. You're not behind. You're not failing. You're just human. So stop thinking so much about the life you want to live and start living it one clear, confident moment at a time. You've spent enough time in your head. It's time to step back into your life.